about to see send follow request on Instagram. So if you want to see send follow request on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to just go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. After that, tap on the account center. Under account center, go with your information and permissions, and then tap on export your information or download your information. You'll need to log in again. So go and log into your Instagram, or you can also continue with your Facebook. After that, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you can just simply go with either past activity or current activity. Tap on create export, select your Instagram, select export to device if you want to, or you can also select an external service. I'll go with device. Scroll down, go with notification email. You can customize your information. Here, I'll just simply go and uncheck all of these options, and I'll only select the option which is followers and following. Go with save. Go with date range, select the date range like last week, last month, or last 3 months, or you can also go with the custom one. I'll go with last month. Go with save and go with the format if you want the HTML format or JSON format. After that, go with the media quality and tap on start export. It might just take a few hours, so come back after a few hours and you will have your media ready to download. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.